How you doing, folks? My name is Trenius, Henderson. Tuned into the infamous Living Realm Network. Divine powers are always working for us because we're doing right. So how many of y'all been seeing repeating numbers like 111, 222, 333, 444, 555, 666, whatever? You've been seeing repeating numbers, folks. A lot of people like to call these repeating numbers angel numbers. A lot of people say, these are your angel guides watching over you. That is truth. This is the divine powers of the universe contacting you, sending you messages, telling you where you are right now on your journey, where you are right now in your level of consciousness, and everything that's about to happen. This is a good thing. If you're seeing repeating numbers, especially 1111, you're on the right track, folks. 1111 is like a gateway, It's like walking through the door. It means fresh start. It means a new cycle. It means you're resetting. Everything is doing good. Only thing you have to do is keep doing what you're doing. Continue to stay aware. Continue to self-develop. Make yourself better, folks, and everything will be all right. So I'm about to give you a secret method that you can use to manifest anything you want using any one of the repeating numbers. All the way up into 9. All the way up into 999. And so the only thing that you have to do in order to manifest anything you want using the repeating numbers is attach an affirmation to the repeating number, like plugging an affirmation into every number, and then when you see your number like 111 or 222, 333, when you see each set of whatever number that you have plugged the affirmation into, folks, that affirmation will remind you subconsciously that this is what you are manifesting into your life. For instance, if I wanted to manifest $50,000, right? And so I attach the affirmation, I have received $50,000 to send the repeating number 333. Now, I don't have to worry about it anymore. But subconsciously, my mind intuitively is gonna remind me when I see 333 that I have received $50,000. Now, I'm not saying this is gonna happen overnight. Some of you have real strong willpower. Some of you, it might happen overnight. I don't know. It depends on your willpower and your level of belief. But all I know is every time you see the repeating number, it's gonna remind you subconsciously that this is what you will be manifesting. Now, I have received $50,000. Now, over time, every time I see 333, no matter if it's on my cell phone, no matter if it's on license plates, on billboards, every time I see 333, I will remind myself that I have received $50,000. And so, folks, this is all you got to do. Plug an affirmation in on the repeating number, 1111, 1111. I have received $20,000. I have received a new car. I have received a new job on 222. I have received a new job. Every repeating number that you decide to plug a code into, an affirmation into, folks, when you see the repeating number, it will automatically remind you of the thing that you are manifesting. See, this way you don't even have to go around thinking about your manifestations, because you can use the divine powers of the universe with numbers to actually help you manifest it. And so again, the trick is that over time, the more you see these repeating numbers and they're reminding you of the affirmation that you have plugged in on them, the more it gets down into your subconscious mind. Now, when something gets to your subconscious mind, it becomes real, okay? It becomes a part of who you are as an individual. Then you start acting out having $50,000. Then you start really thinking that you really possess $50,000 already. And then once your subconscious mind has impregnated the affirmation of the thing that you want to manifest, it has no choice but to show up in everyday reality. Now, a lot of people always say, I see this number all the time. I see that number all the time. I don't know what to do. Trent, tell me, what should I do? Well, look, now you have it, folks. I just gave you a secret method on how to use these repeating numbers to your advantage. Now you don't necessarily have to go to the internet and try to look up a repeating number and see what it means. Now you can plug in your own affirmation on the repeating number, and it'll help you manifest unconsciously. And y'all know that's the whole thing when it comes down to manifestation. You gotta have a sense of non-resistance. So when you're using the repeating numbers, you don't necessarily have to go around thinking about your manifestation, because you know already, unintentionally, you are attracted to seeing particular numbers, right? This is the divine powers of the universe, folks. Having a sense of non-resistance is key to manifesting whatever you want to law of attract into your life. This is Trenius Henderson, folks. This is my secret method. I'm giving it to you. Make sure you check out my other videos. I got another video right here. I think the card gonna pop up on one of these sides right here. Check out this video right here on repeating numbers, folks. This video will definitely help you out. In the meantime, make sure you subscribe over here by pressing my little wink face icon, if you can see that. And then I have another video right here. Speak up, let your voice be heard. Leave a comment below if you will try this new secret method. Thank you so much for tuning in. Peace.